Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the BigBull Trading System. All right, so let us start by adding the indicators one after the other because the system comprises of several indicators. All right, so we are going to start by adding the BBand Stop Alert. Okay, so the BBand Stop Alert, here we go, and then the RSX NLP MTF. All right, let's look for that. Here we go, and then the next on our list is the SEFC Bulls-Bears. Let's look for the SEFC Bulls-Bears. Here we go. And then we have the SEFC 05 and the SEFC 10. All right. So these are the indicators that make up the BigBull Trading System. Okay, so now what do we do with all these indicators? You just have to look out for Confluence. Basically, it's just as easy as that. All right, look out for Confluence and signals. So when this indicator presents an upward green arrow, you also check this indicator for change in color from red to green, and then you check this indicator for the appearance of the blue bars. Okay, so when you have this confluence, you also ensure that the red line is below the blue. That is, the blue line should have crossed above the red. So these are the confluence that you want to look out for, and if you have that, you can proceed to execute your buy trades, provided that you have your confirmations. Okay, and then for a sell trade, the reverse is the case. You want to look out for the appearance of this yellow downward arrow, and then ensure that the blue line has crossed below the red, and then ensure that here this line has changed from green to red, and then here you ensure that the magenta bars have appeared. So these are the confluence that you want to look out for a sell trade. Okay, so once you have the confluence and then you get your confirmation, maybe candlestick pattern confirmation, you can proceed to execute your sell trade. Okay, so ensure that you always practice proper risk management, and remember that no trading system is foolproof. Okay, so there might be some false signals, and it's common, right? It's not unique to a particular system or particular indicator, right? Remember that the market might always do what it wants to do in some cases. So just remember that no indicator or no trading system is 100% guaranteed to give you profit. So just bear in mind risk management because of that. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.